Hello everyone. This is our hackathon SH 2024 submission, and we are dealing in to the problem statement of agri-tech. So basically, we have got the problem statement about to build an AI-driven system for farmers to manage the crop disease and other things which falls under the agricultural practices, and we have given in the problem statement to automate these things with the help of an AI driven system. So here's the solution. So we are presenting with our solution, or you can say an MVP, which is Arogya Krishi. So basically, what our solution does is we have crafted an AI powered system where a farmer can get the day-to-day crop predictions, like crop disease predictions, recommendations, fully recommendation panel, a dashboard where he can analyze the everything related to the crops, rainfall, fertilizer, fertilizer recommendations, which fertilizers to use on a crop, and which type of crop he wants it to grow on the crop of land. So basically, these are the features which we have integrated, and these are the core features also of the applications. And the differentiating factor of the application is that we have integrated and keep the we have integrated the, yes, obviously, the multilingual chatbot support. So to fill the language barrier, as you can see nowadays, the farmers are in India are from several regions, whether it could be and Maharashtra region, whether it could be in Madhya Pradesh region, or whether it could be in any state of the India. So we have provided a chatbot which can communicate with them in their local language. So basically, these are the things we have integrated. And also one thing is, we have kept the interface really intuitive so that they get that feel of the application. So basically, farmers are not so tech savvy like us. So that's why we need to keep the application so simple and intuitive for the user, such that they can like use it seamlessly. So basically, this is the only MVP solution, and we can like build more and more upon it. So let's get started to the solution. So here's an interface. You can see this is the front end interface. So here's an language option. So if someone wants to select their language, let's select here Marathi. So the whole application will turn into, obviously you can see it is turned into Marathi, and they can get rid of it. So let's come back to the original option. Okay. So here's an login and sign up. So that's the basic authentication where the we will store the required information of any farmer in the form of like credentials in our database, and later we will use it. Okay, so first we will create a test email and any password, or we can create a farmer's email, dummy farmer email, and let's see. Okay. So sorry, oh, first we need to create an, okay. Now the farmer has like logged in. You can see a dashboard will be visible and he can check complete analysis or complete analysis life cycle of the crop. So later on when we will get the actual data, we can integrate it and can display the real-time analysis of the crops. Currently it is on the basic data of the farmers which we have collected. So you can see the disease analysis, yearly plan. So yearly subscription will be there. That is the latter part of the project to scale up and to an business level. So basically, in farmers, he can search the farmers by the terms like region and etc. He can see the weather analysis, graph, crop analysis, etc. So this is the dashboard which is crafted for him, which will um, take him to the next level of the crop analysis section. So let's move to the crop prediction where he can predict, and that is the main core feature of the application. So pick any image of the soil. You can upload any image. Let's upload one. So let's upload soil. So basically what it does is we have uploaded an image of in soil. Now we can predict which type of best crop is suitable on that particular soil. As you have all seen, we have uploaded an black soil. So let's predict it. So you can see as we have uploaded black soil, it has detected. So it has given us the recommendation in different languages. So let's read in English. You can plant below crops like Virginia, wheat, jawar, millets, castor, sunflower, etc. So this is the one feature of the application. Now let's move to the another feature of the application, which is disease prediction. So this feature is crafted according to the farmer's crop, like which kind of crops they are using and which kind of diseases they will face. So he can, if the farmer's crop has got diseased or any disease, you can see in the history of the farming, there are lots of diseases which have been spread on the crop. So he don't get the early prediction. So basically, if he uploads the images of the that particular crop, so he can predict which kind of disease and what kind of recommendations he wanna get on that crop. So what kind of fertilizers to spread on that particular crop to cure the disease of the crop. So this will definitely help in him to like analyze the crop of land, crop of crop, like which crops to grow on his particular crop of land. So let's get started. So let's upload any image of leaf which is this is let's say we have uploaded this. Okay, you can see this leaf means this plant's leaves has got affected. So let's predict it. So you can see prediction. It's and this is potato early blight. So 99% this is detected. So it has also given the fertilizer recommendation. Which fertilizer to use details will not fetch uh, like weather data is not fetched because there are some issues in weather analysis. So okay, let it be. We will update it as per standard application method spread evenly around. So it has given everything. So then we can click on analyze another image, and it will analyze another image also. So let's give him like this time. Let's consider. Let's see if it predicts it. So yeah, it is. See, it has predicted. Okay. So let's go to the fertilizer section. Now in fertilizer, he needs to enter the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium content. So what here is he needs to. There is a lots of lab test of soil. So then they have the soil report. So from there are the values defined. He can enter the values from there from the report. So basically, if let's enter any dummy values. and we can select any kind of crop he wants to grow on the crop of land. Let's get, if the region is we can say Karnataka, so coconut. So yeah, it has given the prediction. The value of the K value means that potassium value of your soil is low. So it has given the suggestion what to consider and what not to consider. So mix in. So it has given the preparations uh, like preparation methods. How what to prepare to grow the coconut on the particular land. So this is what this is what it is. And yeah, that is it. And this is Arogya Krishi. And if the farmer wants that he is not understanding anything, so he can also move from this navigation pages also. But he can also chat with the chat assistant, which is Arogya Sakha, and which is a main differentiator of the our application. He can talk in any language. Like let's if we say hi. So okay, it has given the reply. So it is given you can see Namaste Arogya Sakha welcomes you. You can chat with me in any language. Let's put an Marathi prompt. Now we have put it that मला शेतीबद्दल माहिती पाहिजे. So basically in Marathi it is saying we want the information about the farming. So if we hit enter, let's see if it gives the reply. So it's uh, you can see it has given the reply in Marathi, and you can ask, but it has said that you can ask a specific specifically what kind of information do you want from the for the farming. So you can again enter the prompt and you can get it. Okay, so basically that is the way to use the this chat bot. And yes, you can use it in any local language or any regional language, means according to the farmer perspective they want. So that is the big achievement for any application to provide that emotional support to the farmer with that conversation interface. So that is emotional language connect, we can say. So in future we can transform this application into a multi way uh, application where an farmer will be sitting on the other side of the screen, and next to the other side of the screen there will be an farming consultant on any kind of that we can integrate, so he can resolve his all the doubts according to the market needs, what kind of crops he needs to sow on his crop of land, market analysis he will get, everything he will get. So this application has a long way future scope if we developed it very well. So we can take the application to the next level. So this is all. Thank you so much for giving us chance for explaining our solution. Thank you so much.